Okay, so this morning I pre-tripped my truck and I noticed one of my tires, not on this side but on the other side, it was flat. So what I ended up doing, I put some air in it just so I could deliver my cars. It was a slow leak. But if I had a full load, I wouldn't recommend it. But it got me through the day. I'm gonna show you guys the tools that you need if you ever have to, in case of emergency, on the highway or in the morning, tire shops are closed. How to do it yourself, plug a tire, and it'll get you back on the road, and it might last forever, or it might not. I mean, if you do it right, it'll hold the air. So this is my impact gun. This is what I'm gonna be using. This is what I carry in my toolbox in case if I ever get a flat on the highway. This is my emergency plugs right here, and my jack. And this right here is for the valve stem to let the air out. So I'm going to show you what to do. Okay, this is the tire right here. Already marked it. The hole's on the other side. So first thing you want to do before you take off the tire, you want to release all the air. It's better to do it when you got a load, or when it's on the trailer. So I'm going to grab this right here. This right here takes off the valve stem. There it is right there. This is what tire shops use. You got to remove the whole valve stem off completely, but try not to lose it. It's under a lot of pressure right now. That's why I'm having a hard time. I'm going to remove that tire. What I'm going to be doing right now, I'm going to be jacking up my trailer. I'm going to be removing that the tire, and then I'm going to show you how to plug it. I took all the air out, so I got to push this in. I'm going in through 18. I think it's 18 ply. It's going to be hard to do, but anything's possible. I never tried this on an 18 ply tire. Woo! I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this. Maybe if I hit it down. You think it'll work?
I don't know.
If it doesn't work, there's always the spare tire. Whatever it has in there, I think it's some kind of nail. I'm trying to knock it inside. And it looks like it had one right here too. Better. Man, this thing's a heavy. Whew. See, I got to go all the way, at least halfway with this, so I could plug it. I don't know if it's gonna work. So I need to take that nail out. I don't know if I'm going to be able to, but it might work, it might not. I don't know. It's worth a try. I've never done these thick ply tires. Hold this.
Was able to take out the nail? This is the nail that was causing the slow leak.
There's two different ones. I think for this kind of thickness on the tire, this will work better for me. Commercial tires, because they're too hard to do. I don't know if it's going to work. I think it's not going to work. It's got the wires in there.
Well, you do have a spare. You can take this one to see if they can patch it.
They could patch it.
Because commercial tires, I believe, can only be patched.
Well, we don't know that.
That's what I think.
We don't know that. I don't think this is going to be a good video. Well, it might be a good video. We know where not to use plugs.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh shit, what's in there?
A watch and the pull repair.
Oh. Well, if you guys ever tried doing this, let me know. Drop a comment below. Because I think I'm doing more damage to the tire, so I'm going to take it in and get it patched. But I tried. None of these work. So if this is not working, I can't put this right here are the plugs. I feel like I failed. You can put that right there.
It was a learning experience to always have a spare.
This one is just a spare. Look at all the cracks. It's an old tire. When they get old like that, see the sidewall right here? They start cracking. You see the cracks?
We did, yes. There's lots of them.
Right there.
Yeah, there's a lot of them.
Like I said, I've never done this before on a 14 ply, or what are these, 18 ply?
I think they're 18.
Continental. It's a learning experience. Next time I'll just change the tire right away.
Yeah, this is 18.
18? Oh my God.
18 PR. My tire here is from 37th week of 23.
That's good.
Here's the DOT on this one. It's upside down. And it looks like it's the 7th, 07, so the 7th week of 2017. So this is a very old tire. And that's his spare. So if you don't know that about tires, where you see the DOT number, you go over to the one in a circle. First 2 numbers of the week, last 2 numbers of the year.
How old is the tire?
It's 2017.
Damn.
Right? And this one's from 23. So there it is. His spare is on, and he's gonna be running them with that tomorrow, and tomorrow he'll get his normal tire repaired. Look at my flowers.
This is not a flower channel.
Well, I mean, everybody likes flowers. Right?
Yeah. But they want to know.
We finished the video. If he happens to go through this scale, he won't have a problem because he does have a spare. It's right there. Although that is a spare to the Dodge.
Why will this?
Aren't you supposed to have a spare tire?
Why would the DOT care about your spare tire?
I don't know.
They care about the ones that are mounted on, the ones that are on your trailer, on your truck.
They don't care about spares?
Never heard of that one. At least this will get me back on the road tomorrow.
That's a good thing because you have a vehicle.
I gotta buy this for the compressor.
Oh, that's right. For your Smitty built compressor.
Yeah.
This line is rotten. So the last time you tried to use it, it just fell apart.
Hey.
Yeah?
What'd you say?
This line is rotten. Isn't it rotten? It fell apart.
Okay, fell apart, yes. How does plastic get rotten?
They do. Watch, I'm going to demonstrate. He pulled on it and literally it fell apart. Okay, this part is a good part. But the other, when you try to use it, it just crumbled. Like it just broke off. I don't know. Can you finish the video?
Set up showing them flowers. Show them a nice looking classic truck with low mileage. You know what that is?
A worn winch.
That's a worn winch. This is the real deal. I guess these somehow they got like a clutch.
And it does work.
They're better built than
So this is his 93
93
F250 XL.
4x4. Look at the front axles. They don't build stuff like this anymore. Look at this. Look how solid that is right there. Okay, look at this one right here. This is the 2500. The same thing. That one's diesel. They both haul the same amount of weight.
He bought this at an auction.
Come here. Count the lug nuts.
Oh my goodness.
Same as this one.
Quite a few.
Yeah. Yeah, there's 10.
Yeah.
Okay, this one holds a lot more weight.
This truck at an auction. It belonged to, what did it belong to?
Barnum
Game Ranger.
Fish and Game, state of California.
Yes.
The truck, first owner, they bought it brand new. And when I was looking at this, it had the little sticker above the cab. It says state of California. No, Fish and Game, I'm sorry. And told myself I need to get, because I had a white one before. I had to sell that one so I could get the Infinity. But I kind of missed my Ford Country truck. You know, I got the cowboy hat in there. Show them the cowboy hat. Right in there. Getting all that sunlight. But no, this is a nice truck. I love this truck. I think I prefer driving this one local. This one for long distance. Next time I get a flat, I'm just gonna put the spare tire and go to the tire shop. So, you know, you have to try if it's going to work. And it's got the wheel, the tires got too many wires in it. It's a 18 ply.
It's an 18 ply.
They do sell them 14 ply, but I end up getting the 18 ply. Video. Thank you for watching, and drop the comments below if you guys have any questions, or let me know if you guys ever put a plug on these 18 ply tires. I thought it could be done, but hey, you live and learn, and I guess you can't. Well, maybe you can if you get some kind of drill and drill it, but what I'm afraid of is a plug and a hold. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys in Sacramento tomorrow, right?
Yep. And I know you like flowers. You have to like flowers. Huge hibiscus.